guys, welcome back to another amazing recipe. Today we're making Hennessy fried chicken wings. Try not to get drunk. These are absolutely the best. I'm sure you guys will love it. All my wings lover. If you're out here looking for a new recipe, try this one out and let me know how you guys like it. Without further ado, let me show you guys how it's done. Okay guys, here's my chicken, nice and clean. We're going to get started. We're going to season our chicken, really season it, all right? Because we want every bite of this chicken to be absolutely tasty. So I'm starting with Creole seasoning, and I'll be adding ground black pepper in, and also some onion powder with garlic powder, because garlic, onion, they go well together on chicken. And I will be adding in some chili powder as well. And all the measurement will be down below in the description box. Check that out. Now we'll be adding another secret ingredient, which is mustard. All right, about a tablespoon. Give that a mix. And also I'll be adding some more seasoning in. We'll be adding paprika for a nice color, and we're going to give it a quick mix. Then we're going to cover it, place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes, or while we get everything ready to fry this chicken. Now here's my flour. We're going to season it. I'm using garlic powder. Also, I'll be adding in some ground mustard. All right. I will be adding some ground ginger as well. And we're going to add the onion powder right now. Now I'm adding in the ground black pepper with some paprika. And also I went back and add some salt to it. All right, I added the salt. Here I'm adding some cornstarch so it can be nice and crispy. All right, the cornstarch is the key for this breading. I love using it on all of my fried chicken recipe. And then I'll be adding the Cajun seasoning. Don't let me confuse you. Like I said, the description box will list every single one of these ingredients. Now moving on, we're going to make the wet batter. The wet batter, we're going to use 2 eggs. All right. Into my eggs, I am using the seasoned flour. I'm using about 1/3 cup of the seasoned flour. Add that in there, and also we'll be adding some club soda to make it nice and crunchy and crispy. That's what's going to make it super extremely crunchy. Okay, so we're going to give that a quick mix just like so, and add more club soda if needed, of course, and give that a quick mix. Once it is well combined, we're going to set it aside. Here I have all of them. The flour in the blue bowl is plain flour. All right, so this is my chicken. I grabbed it out of the fridge. We're going to start flouring the chicken so we can start frying it. So I'm taking 1 chicken, and then I am going to place it in the flour, plain flour. I just added a little bit of cracked ground black pepper in there, but we're just going to add the chicken into the plain flour, just like so. And once you add it into the plain flour, make sure you shake off the excess flour. You don't want to add it to the wet batter and make a bunch of mess, okay? We don't want that. So give it a quick shake, 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 shake. And then we're going to place it into the wet batter here, wet mixture, right here, just like so. You can see all the seasoning on there. Oh my God, that's going to be absolutely delicious. So here it is, all the pepper, all the seasoning. Yes, that's what we want. If your chicken don't look like this, I don't know what you're making. You're not making Hennessy chicken, honey. I'm kidding, guys. But once you're done wetting all your chicken, we're going to place it into the seasoned flour. All right, so we can have some nice crunchy, crispy breading. All right, usually I like to squeeze the chicken with the flour, but that is still gonna be crunchy and crispy regardless. This is what the breading look like. If yours don't look like that, scratch and do it again, because I don't know. And you can tell it's going to be nice and crispy once it is done by just looking at this. All right, here it is. Once you have all your chicken breaded just like so, we're going to place it in our oil, which is 350 degrees for some of you guys who always ask. Just placing it in a hot oil, very hot. You don't want it to be warm, you don't want it to be halfly hot, you know, you want it to be perfectly 350 or 375, it depends. And we're going to fry them for about 10 to 12 minutes. It shouldn't take that long for, you know, wings to be done. Once it's done, this is what you got. Now tell me this is not the best looking chicken you ever seen. Absolutely delicious. When I tell you these are crunchy, all right, crunchy to the T, from head to toe. So this is what it looks like. We're going to remove it from the oil, place it on a napkin so we can remove any oil from the chicken. And then we're going to start making our Hennessy sauce. I added 1 stick of butter into my skillet. Then we're going to add some minced garlic. Once that is nice and fragrant, we're going to add the Hennessy. Oh my gosh, you're going to get drunk of this, but not really, because the alcohol is literally cooked off, so you don't really have to worry, am I gonna get drunk if I eat these? No, not really. So once it is done, we're going to add some honey to it, as well as some cornstarch to make the sauce nice and thick. Okay, not a lot, just a little bit, just like so. Give it a stir. And also I'll be adding some brown sugar with a little bit of salt, a little pinch. Oh, the mustard. I also add some mustard in there as well. Oh, lots of mustard in this recipe, huh? So just add a little bit of mustard, let it simmer until it's it started to reduce. You can see how it's getting a little thicker. And here I added the salt, and your sauce is ready. Ooh wee, child, we about to eat. So now what I am going to do is take the chicken, add it to a bowl. Then we're going to take our Hennessy sauce, just pour it on there just like so. Just drizzle it all over your chicken. And basically this is the recipe. Give it a toss just like so, and boom, your chicken is ready. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. If you did, let me know down below. And of course, you know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up for me. Help me out. Hit it with a thumbs up. And if you're new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe before you leave. And that is it. Hopefully you enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. Yum.